Hi guys, Will here from WP Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, I always say this, but please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So a trader dropped me a message yesterday asking why short-term strategies are more profitable than long-term strategies, and I kind of maybe blindly presumed that everybody understood why this is and how this works, but the email taught me that, well, that's obviously not the case, and that a lot of traders don't seem to understand why this is. So I thought I'd put together a very quick video on the topic for you all to help any of you who don't quite understand this yet to gain a full understanding of this. Now, first things first, and look, let's dive straight in. What this comes down to is probabilities and allowing edge to play out. If you've followed me for any length of time and you've watched any of my other videos here on the YouTube channel, you've probably heard me talking about these aspects of trading again and again. And it's because they're just so crucial to understand. And in the case of why short-term strategies are far more profitable than long-term strategies in most cases, this isn't exactly the case. And to explain what I mean, let's look at an example together. So if you're trading a short-term strategy and you're, let's say, day trading and taking 1 or 2 or 3 trades per day or more, this is going to mean that you cover an accurate sample size of trades much quicker than if you're trading a long-term strategy and you're swing trading or position trading and only taking a handful of trades per week or per month. Again, coming back to that accurate sample size that I always harp on about, with any less than 5, 10, 15 trades, outcomes are pretty much completely random and more or less anything can happen. It's only when you've taken a good 25, 50 or more trades that you're always going to see your edge actually playing out. Now, let me just very quickly add a note here on the subject of edge. Obviously, to see an edge play out and deliver profit, you have to actually have edge and be trading a strategy that provides edge. If you're trading a broken strategy or an unproven strategy that doesn't work, whether you take 5 trades or 50 trades or 500 trades, you're never going to make money and you will consistently lose money. So before you even think about any of what we're talking about here today, above anything, if you are trying to trade profitably, please do make sure that you have a strategy that works and is statistically proven to provide edge, because without that, nothing will ever help to make you money. No tests, no advice. So do make sure that you have a strategy that works in place. Now, with all of that said, this is where the title of this video is about to become clear. The time, effort, reward ratio. What is it? How does it work? And how does understanding this help to increase profitability? So let's get all of those questions answered. Time. This is how long you spend trading and how many trades you take on, let's say, a daily and weekly basis. Effort. So, of course, this is the effort that you put in, the hours you spend at the screen, monitoring for setups, executing and actually taking trades. Reward. So this is your edge playing out and delivering profit. And by the way, just quickly, if you do enjoy the video today, it would be great if you take just a second to hit that like button. If you would, that would really help me if that's okay with you. Now, this is where things get interesting. If you're trading a short-term strategy, in most cases, you're putting in a lot of time, a lot of effort, and because you're taking an increased amount of trades and your edge is playing out faster, you get that all-important reward much quicker. Opposing this, if you're trading a longer term strategy, in most cases you're putting in a lot less time, a lot less effort, and because you're taking less trades and your edge is playing out slower, of course the results take much longer to get to and the reward is of course delayed. So just to summarize and simplify what I've just said, day trading time-wise is very much increased, effort is very much increased, and within that balance, reward tends to be increased as well. And opposing this, if you're swing or position trading, time is decreased, effort is decreased, and therefore reward tends to be decreased too. So hopefully by now you understand, or you're beginning to understand, how the time, effort, reward ratio works. And whether you're day trading or swing trading or however you're trading, just take a second to think about how much time and effort you spend trading and the reward you're achieving, because again, these will tend to be aligned, or at least they should tend to be aligned. If you are a short-term trader and you're taking multiple trades per day, you're going to see results much quicker in most cases. And again, if you're a long-term trader and you're only taking a handful of trades per week or per month, you're going to have to wait that bit longer to see results. And there you have it. So hopefully now you'll all understand the balance between short-term and long-term strategies in terms of performance and actually seeing results, which is a little bit more important. And whether you are a day trader or a swing trader or both, again, you should now understand why results come faster via the one approach and slower via the other in most cases, as probabilities play out and Hedge shows itself across a sample size. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the short video today, and hopefully that's added some value for you all and has helped you learn something with me today. If it has helped, it would be brilliant if you'd leave me a comment below the video. It'd be great to hear from you. Please do hit that like button if you would. I'll leave it there for today, and as always everybody, trade with Hedge, with consistency, and I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks everyone.